Hello guys, hope you all are doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to transform one shape or object into another. So let's say we have a circle here and we want the circle to transform in the square. Okay, so let's see how we are going to do that. So first you select the circle, select the animation tab here, go to action, add an effect and select move option. Now move the shadow of this circle over the square. Change the path if you would like. Now next, we'll disappear this circle when circle moves here over the square. So we'll select build out and we'll select the option confetti. Now when circle moves here, we'll disappear the circle and at the same time, we will build in the square. So select the square, go to build in, add the effect, select blur. Okay, now open the build order and so when circle moves, after build one will disappear the circle. Now the important part is our rectangle would appear at the same time the circle disappears. Okay, so we'll select the rectangle and we'll select with build two. Okay, so now let's play that, press enter. Okay, so it appears like our circle moved and transformed into a rectangle. So this is how you can transform one shape into another. Here we have used the effect confetti and blur. You can literally select any other effect here and play around to see which one fits to your requirement. I hope you find this video helpful. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, take care. Goodbye.